Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials right. Update your Pixel and the camera app so you have the latest features and bug fixes. Once done, wipe the lens and confirm camera and location permissions so shots tag correctly. Open camera and select photo mode, tap the subject to lock focus, and drag the exposure slider to brighten or darken. This first actionable process gives you a clean baseline. It removes software and hardware blockers, so every next adjustment actually changes your image. Now you dive into the complex controls that define the result. You switch to Pro mode to capture RAW, manually set ISO and shutter speed, and preserve detail. This matters when you plan heavy editing. Make sure to use night sight in low light because it stacks frames for cleaner images. Hold steady or mount on a tripod to avoid blur. Once you understand focal choices, pick 4x telephoto for portrait reach, ultra-wide for landscapes, or super res zoom for distant subjects to get the right composition. Finish by reviewing shots and applying quick in-phone edits. Enable HDR+ for brighter highlights and more detail. Adjust white balance and crop for composition. Make sure to back up to Google Photos and export RAW files if you want desktop editing control. This preserves maximum detail for advanced corrections. If things go wrong, try restarting the phone, clearing the camera app cache, or resetting camera settings. These steps fix common glitches and return your Pixel 6 Pro camera to reliable operation so you can keep shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.